Yo guys, what's up? Welcome to another video. In this video I'm gonna try to show you how you can install Nix package manager on Gentoo. By default you can try it yourself and find by yourself that it may not be possible to install Nix package manager using their default script. I'll show you what it is exactly. Their default script doesn't work on Gentoo, this one, or this one. It will complain that you do not have systemd. I'm not sure if you are running Gentoo with systemd it's gonna work. I didn't try, but if I tried I will tell you myself. So there is an overlay for Gentoo that helps or allows the person to run the Nix package manager on his Gentoo box. And this is the link, or this is the page on GitHub for the Nix GUIX overlay. It allows you to install Nix package manager on your Gentoo system or GUIX itself, which is mostly, as I know, based on Nix. It may not be. If I'm wrong, please tell me. So the installation is quite simple and straightforward. You jump from running this command, which will run a script for you, to run all these commands. So you have to enable the Nix GUIX overlay, and that should be done using, instead of using eselect repository or layman, you should go to your nixguix.conf. It's in the repos.conf folder or file. It can be a file, it can be a folder. If I'm not mistaken. So for me, I have ordered this. You just need to run this command. This one. It's one command. It's gonna append this to this file and make it if it does not exist. So for me, repos.conf, for me I have that at eselect, and here it is. It's exactly the same. Here it is. This one is exactly the same as this, right? You can check by yourself and you will find that it's exactly the same. Afterwards you run emerge sync, and then you wait for it some time, or let's so we will let our emerge sync in one of these tabs, and then I will show you the next step. By the time it syncs, it will itself sync also the new overlay that you have already ordered. So you can go to the next step. It won't last too long, as I guess. And then you go to the next step, which should be adding this line, which will unmask. You just add this line itself, or you can run this command to unmask all the packages that the Nix or GUIX package managers depend on them. So you go to your etc portage /etc/portage /package accept keywords, and then you should have it here. Yeah. So for me, I didn't put all of them because I prefer running as many stable packages as possible. You yourself, you can do all of this. It should work in both cases. I kept myself like trying to find out which are the packages that are masked, and then I ordered them here, and then I found that it's only this one. Afterwards, you can jump to the installation, which should be emerge. You run emerge, and then Nix. Because for me, I have already run emerge --sync before. I can run this command emerge, then -av for confirmation and verbosity, and then Nix. wait for it some time. It's gonna take some time. For me, I believe it's installed. Yeah, you can see that it's installed. And then after you install it, you press Y and enter, or you can run this command directly. This command, if you run it directly, it's gonna work out of the box. You don't need to give confirmation or anything. For me, I prefer to get the confirmation in case I changed my mind or something. Afterwards, you run these two commands. First one is this. If you are on OpenRC, which will let Nix daemon run on startup, and the second one will let Nix daemon start immediately. For me, I have run them, so I can prove to you that I did. Should be like this. It's running. Here it says that if you want to start it on system D, Gentoo, because of course you know that on Gentoo you can use system D. I don't know if you run this script directly on system D it's gonna work or not. It may not work, who knows. So in case you are using system D, you can run these two commands. The first one, as I said to you, it will help you enable it at startup, your Nix daemon, because Nix needs a daemon. And then the second one will start it immediately for you. And then you will have your Nix installed. You have to run this command, and then you can run this command. For me, because I have run this command before, this one, I will run this command right now in front of you, so you can see that it's installed successfully on my computer. And then we can try to install a package. For example, you should know how to install Nix packages. It's not hard. I guess I installed this one. Let's try to find another one. There is this package which you can only have the source package of it and Google Chromium. Let's try to run another one because maybe there is a problem with my syntax. Ranger. Oh, it's not. This is because it's root. So you need to run it when you are not root, of course. I'll pause the video to move from a user to another because sometimes whenever you install a package on Nix, it will be only for that user itself. Alright, so every time you switch to another user that you didn't run this command on it, you should run it again. So in front of you, I'm gonna run this command, and then you should run this command as well, and it should give this output as you're gonna see. Wait some time for it. Alright, and then we can simply install any package we want. This is the command that I believe it lets any person or lets you install any package you want. Otherwise, if there is any other one, please tell me. We're installing LF. It's an alternative of Ranger, but it's written on using Go. Should try this one. Yes, it's installed. And then if we try to run LF, it's not working. Let's not found LF. Did it really install? Not found. I don't know, maybe there is a problem with it, never mind. can try to run with another command, try to run or try to install something else. Ranger. So many people said that Nix package manager is good. This is just to prove to you that it works. You can see that it's installing already. The bad side of running Nix on Gentoo is that Nix package manager depends on systemd, so it's gonna install systemd and it may be a little big. So and yes, it may be a little big for your system, so you may need to prepare some space for it. This is not done yet. See all of these packages. ZSTD, I believe it's installed on my system, but it grabbed it. And then the same way you can install GUIX. Let's try to run Ranger. There is a problem with it. Never mind, it's probably a bug or something. If you want to install GUIX package manager, it's almost the same, because this overlay is not only for Nix. Yeah, I forgot to specify sudo. You wait for it. I'm not going to install it because I'm not interested in running it. Sorry for that. And you should also specify that you accept non-stable packages, the ones that are still not considered stable. It's because I didn't put this one. So if you want to follow along with me, you can go like this, take this one, and then like this. You come here, you put it like this, and take this one as well, and it's supposed to run now. It's not gonna complain like that one. It's masked. Yes. And then after you install GUIX and unmask those ones, you can simply run these commands. I guess that's it. Thank you for watching, and see you in another video.